Hey YouTubers, I'm back with another video. This time it is a silver unboxing, so let's see what we have got. Pop up this knife, so let's go. Nice packaging, very nice. So, let's see. And package within a package. I like that. So let me see. Just another package. Let's see, all sealed whole with tape. Let's go further. Yeah. This side one. The other side. Oh, here we go. Let's get this out. Let me see an invoice. Yes. Let me see. Okay, that's okay. That's correct. Let's go further with the package. So it is opened now. So nearly as opened. Yes. Here we go. This is what I've ordered. Some US junk silver. Let's pop it up. Yes. Yes. Go. Get rid of that. Oh, never mind. So, what I have got is this. Mercury dimes. Let's see if you focus. Not really, but it is what it is. So, 2 Mercury dimes. One 1924 and one 1925. What else? I have ordered this 1889 Barber dime, and I have ordered also a few Standing Liberty quarters, one from 1927, one of 1925, and let me see, this is a Barber quarter from 1916. So that is what I've got, and maybe in another video I can make a close-up. So thanks for watching, and I'm out. Deuces.